Question 1. Can you identify this road sign? A. Standard roundabout. B. Mini roundabout. Option B is correct, mini roundabout. Question 2. What road condition does this sign warn you about? A. End of dual carriageway. B. Road narrows on both sides. That's right. Option B, road narrows on both sides. Question 3. What does this warning sign indicate? A. Sharp bend to the right. B. Right turn mandatory ahead. The correct answer is option A, sharp bend to the right. Question 4. What should drivers expect after seeing this sign? A. Frail or elderly pedestrians likely. B. Pedestrians walking in the road. Well done if you chose. Option B. Pedestrians walking in the road. Question 5. What action does this sign require? A. Vehicles must stop completely. B. Stopping is strictly prohibited. Correct. Option A. Vehicles must stop completely. Question 6. What restriction does this sign indicate? A. Maximum speed limit. B. Minimum speed limit. Option A is the correct answer. Maximum speed limit. Question 7. What hazard does this sign warn drivers about? A. Watercourse alongside the road. B. Slippery road surface. The right answer is option B. Slippery road surface. Question 8. What should drivers be prepared for ahead? A. Traffic queues likely. B. Overtaking prohibited. Option A is correct. Traffic queues likely. Question 9. What does this traffic sign warn you about? A. Military vehicles. B. Slow-moving agricultural vehicles. Correct answer. Option A. Military vehicles. Question 10. Can you tell what this sign means? A. Hump bridge ahead. B. Tunnel ahead. Option B is correct. Tunnel ahead. Question 11. What type of traffic does this sign warn you about? A. Horse-drawn vehicles. B. Accompanied ridden horses. That's correct. Option A. Horse-drawn vehicles. Question 12. What hazard should drivers expect ahead? A. Opening or swing bridge. B. Quayside or open riverbank. Well done. Option A. Opening or swing bridge. Question 13. What does this road sign indicate? A. No waiting restrictions apply. B. National speed limit applies. Option B is the correct answer. National speed limit applies. Question 14. Which road layout does this sign warn you about? A. Double bend, first to the right. B. Double bend, first to the left. The correct choice is option B, double bend, first to the left. Question 15. What might you encounter after seeing this sign? A. Wild animals on or near the road. B. Wild horses or ponies likely. Correct. Option A. Wild animals on or near the road. Question 16. What type of junction does this sign indicate? A. A T-junction. B. A crossroads. Option B is correct. A crossroads. Question 17. What does this regulatory sign mean? A. Route restricted to trams. B. Buses prohibited. The correct answer is option B, buses prohibited. Question 18. What instruction does this sign give? A. Turn left. B. Turn left ahead. Option A is the right answer. Turn left. Question 19. What road layout is shown by this sign? A. Side road joining from the left. B. Main traffic merging from left. Correct answer. Option A. Side road joining from the left. Question 20. What should drivers watch out for here? A. Low-flying helicopters. B. Low-flying aircraft. Option B is correct. Low-flying aircraft. Question 21. What change in the road does this sign indicate? A. Road narrowing on the right. B. Traffic merging from the right. That's right. Option A. Road narrowing on the right. Question 22. What hazard does this sign indicate? A. Soft verges alongside road. B. Watercourse alongside road. The correct answer is option B, watercourse alongside road. Question 23. What are drivers required to do at this sign? A. Give way to other traffic. B. No entry for motor vehicles. Well done if you selected option A, give way to other traffic. Question 24. What does this sign tell road users? A. Approaching T-junction. B. No through road. Option B is the correct answer. No through road. Question 25. What traffic condition does this sign indicate? A. Two-way traffic straight ahead. B. No overtaking zone. Correct. Option A. two-way traffic straight ahead. Question 26. What does this warning sign tell you about the road ahead? A. Steep uphill gradient. B. Steep downhill gradient. Question 27. What should drivers expect ahead? A. Pedestrian crossing ahead. B. Dedicated school crossing. The right answer is option A, pedestrian crossing ahead. Question 28. What weather-related hazard does this sign warn of? A. Risk of ice or snowdrifts. B. Danger of surface frost. Correct answer. Option A. Risk of ice or snowdrifts. Question 29. What action is prohibited by this sign? A. No right turn allowed. B. No U-turns allowed. Option B is correct. No U-turns allowed. Question 30. What road condition does this sign warn drivers about? A. Uneven road surface. B. Risk of falling rocks. That's correct. Option A. Uneven road surface. That's the end of the test. How many did you get correct? Drop your score in the comments below and compare your performance with other learners taking the challenge. If a few questions caught you out, don't worry. Every test helps you improve your road sign knowledge and prepares you for the UK theory test. If you enjoyed this quiz, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more UK theory test practice, road sign quizzes and driving test challenges, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next test.